Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sanjana and this is my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna share about my journey from India to Korea via Dubai. And this is my personal experience. Things might change in the future. So before traveling, check with the airline and the immigration. Alright then, let's get started.
In this video, I'm gonna tell about what I did before booking a flight ticket and how I booked the flight ticket and what happened at Bangalore, Delhi, Dubai and Incheon airport. So, before booking a flight ticket, I contacted airline, Dubai immigration, Korean immigration and Maraba service. Maraba service which help in transferring luggage from one flight to another. If you fly with Vistara people gonna transfer your luggage from Vistara to Emirates. After confirming everything like whether I am allowed to board or allowed to enter Korea, I purchased air ticket. I purchased 3 separate tickets from Bangalore to Delhi, Vistara, and from Delhi to Dubai, again Vistara, and from Dubai to Incheon, Emirates. And you have to purchase 3 separate tickets because only one transit is allowed while going to Dubai. If there is a direct flight from your place to Dubai, then no problem. And if there is any transit in between, then it is not allowed. Delhi to Dubai, Dubai to Incheon, my friend helped me in booking the ticket. He used yatra.com. So, I travelled from Bangalore on 28th September. Actually, there was a strike in Bangalore on 28th. So, I left home at 4 o'clock in the morning. At the Bangalore airport, there was no problem as my destination was Delhi. At check-in, I paid extra money for my baggage as my check-in bag was 30 kg. And the Vistara people were really nice. After reaching Delhi, I collected my luggage and again I checked in. So, when I went to check in my baggage, Vistara guy checked my RT-PCR result, my passport and my Korean visa. He didn't ask any other questions. And at check-in counter, you have to show your onward flight ticket from Dubai to Incheon and ask them to tag your luggage till Incheon. Now comes the immigration. At Delhi immigration, they checked my passport, Korean visa and asked why I am going to Korea and what I do in Korea. And it was smooth. They didn't ask any other questions. After I landed at Dubai airport, I went to connections. Before going to connections, there was security check. After that, I went to connections counter to collect my boarding pass. At connections counter, they asked my passport, RT-PCR report, Korean visa and my previous Vistara ticket from Delhi to Dubai so that they transfer my luggage. After boarding Emirates flight, they gave me 4 documents to fill. Like we have to fill our name, passport number and quarantine place where we gonna stay after reaching Korea. And these are the documents we have to fill. After I landed in Korea, after coming out of flight, Indians are separated and made into one group and they took our passport and checked our body temperature and asked few questions. After asking all the questions, they sent us to waiting room. There again we have to fill 4 documents. We have to mention our name, passport number and quarantine place address in Korea. And also we have to install self-quarantine app on our mobile. Link for the app is in description box. Till I complete all these procedures, it was around 8 p.m. So I was taken to government facility room and stayed there for one night. And in the morning at 8 o'clock, they took sample for corona test and around 2 o'clock I got the result, and they give breakfast and lunch. If the result is positive, should go to hospital. If it's negative, we are allowed to go to our quarantine place. My result was negative, so I was allowed to go to my quarantine place. They dropped me from government facility room till airport. It was free of charge. I took a airport bus from Incheon airport to Incheon KTX station, train station, and from there I took KTX and reached Daegu. Daegu is the place where I live in. And you have to pay for airport bus from Incheon airport to Incheon KTX station, and also for KTX from Incheon to your place. After reaching Daegu, again I took a corona test. After taking corona test, I was allowed to go to my quarantine place. This is my own experience. If you have any questions, comment me below. I will answer all your questions. I hope this video will be helpful. Bye bye.